Wilson Lofts is more than just an investment. It's an investment in history, and it's an investment in the future of a community that everyone rallies around, the memories. And so it's more than just dollars and cents. It's more than just a building. It's about people coming to a center of a downtown that is looking for a place to be again. And you can't argue with this type of investment that is, again, beyond what any financial contribution would be.
You know, a lot of people came to this building for many years, and whether they were going to the dentist or the pharmacy or what any of the other businesses that were in here, it's now going to be a space where folks are going to create new memories. They're going to live. They could even work in the new incubator spaces. Really a huge catalyst for our downtown.
My name is Brian Hollenback, President and CEO of Economic Growth Corporation. We are a minority-controlled, community-based nonprofit developer that had the privilege of redeveloping the Wilson Lofts here in downtown Clinton, Iowa. Growth was invited to Clinton, Iowa by the business community known as Grow Clinton and the Downtown Clinton Alliance. We took title to the property in 2015, and after several presentations to City Council that was well attended and supported, where the residents wore t-shirts that said, "I love Clinton," and literally those initial council meetings lasted for hours, where people continued to support the need for housing in their downtown urban core.
Our lenses are open for potential. Now, to realize potential, it's a lot. It's grit, it's money, it's construction partners, it's pivots at the right time, it's sanding doors that don't fit right, but you have to do those types of things. And so when you see a team that's willing to go through the maze that it takes to bring an old building that this just needs a little love in a community that remembers the love of the past, to bring that love forward again. 5 Points just loves these kinds of stories when they all come together and there's a team approach.
I'm Cindy Berg. I'm the Chief Financial Officer for Economic Growth Corporation. So I handle all the finances and money, making sure things are going where they need to go, and also handle the back-end compliance for all of our layers of financing. For the Wilson Lofts transaction, that involved several years of making sure we had enough funding to make the project happen. It was an interesting time post-COVID because we've had to deal with rising construction costs, rising interest rates, labor shortages, supply shortages, a little bit of everything. So the Wilson Lofts was 10 years of hard work. And in the past few years here, to actually make it happen, we had to kind of look at the fact that things weren't coming together the way we wanted. And we really needed to kind of step back, take a look at what we really wanted to accomplish. And that's kind of where the incubators were born. And then we said, why aren't we incorporating new market tax credits? Once we knew new market tax credits was our route, we reached out to several community development entities, or CDEs, including 5 Points Community Capital, to really make this project work.
You know, you can't argue with the civic spirit, the civic glue that's still here, that wants to believe again, that still believes that this is a great place to live, work, and play. We see this is going to be a block by block renaissance of downtown Clinton.
As Mayor Clinton, this project really fits in with our strategic plan. Every community has a strategic plan, and that includes anything from bringing jobs in, bringing new businesses, affordable housing, all of those aspects. So as we're looking at the Wilson Lofts, it ties directly into our strategic plan in Clinton. It's even better that it's a block and a half away from the river, which is our biggest asset, and you'll see some beautiful views from the building. So we want to continue to work with developers like we did for this project, because as we continue to work on these projects, we continue to follow that strategic plan, and we continue to make Clinton a great place to live. I'm excited for folks to be able to live down here. I'm excited for them to walk around. We're going to have a lot of opportunity for new businesses. We're also going to have a lot of opportunity for the current businesses that are downtown. So as we have people that are walking around and living in our downtown, it's just going to make it more full and vibrant and really bring back not only the nostalgia of the building, but the nostalgia of downtown.
9 years in the making, 12 layers of financing, truly is a demonstration of when a community comes together, remains passionate and committed to what is best for their downtown. We have the opportunity today to be here and a catalytic investment here within our downtown.
So it shows that the vision does come to reality. So when you see that it checked all the boxes and now it's becoming operational, who else? Why can't you be excited about something like this? This is what we look for. This is what 5 Points mission is about. This is what economic growth mission is about, and our partners are all about.